Valve clearance fundamentals, the theory behind the practice. That mysterious tick, tick, tick sound, it's directly connected to the concepts of this module. We will demystify the science of internal combustion dance, showing you how precision clearance allows the valves to open and close perfectly millions of times without burning up or losing power. It's the ultimate blend of fire, metal, and physics. Now we will move on to next step. The engine's breathing rhythm, the secret in the gap. What's the secret in the gap? Number one, power. Number two, efficiency. Number three, longevity. In this module, we answer the most important question. Why does valve clearance even matter? Think of it as the engine's breathing rhythm. We'll explain how that tiny gap between the valve and its lifter is the secret to a powerful, efficient, and long lasting engine. And what happens when that rhythm is off. In the third step, you will know the thermal expansion paradox, why cold clearance matters. Before we turn a single wrench, we must master the theory. This module breaks down the thermal expansion paradox. Why a cold engine needs a specific gap to run perfectly when hot. You will understand the critical difference between noisy loose valves and destructive tight valves, setting the foundation for a perfect adjustment. It's about the effects of incorrect valve clearance. Incorrect valve clearance. Loose valves are noisy, causing a tick 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 from components slamming together, accelerating wear. Tight valves are quiet but dangerous, as the valve can't close fully to dissipate combustion heat. This leads to burn valves and loss of compression, resulting in poor performance and misfires. While loose valves are an annoyance, tight valves are silent killers that often cause severe engine damage. Ultimately, both incorrect states cause damage, one through impact and noise, the other through heat and failure to seal. Tools, safety and preparation, setting up for success. Gather your core tools, a quality set of feeler gauges, the correct wrenches, combination socket or torque, and a service manual for your specific engine specification. Ensure a cold engine. Never attempt this on a warm engine as heat expands metal and will give you false, dangerous readings. That's what I already told you. What is the reason of setting the valve on a cold engine? Now disconnect the battery to prevent Now disconnect the battery to prevent any accidental engine cranking while your hands are near moving parts. Create a clean, organized workspace to keep track of components like valve covers, bolts, and shims, preventing contamination or loss. Patience and a methodical approach are your most important tools to avoid costly mistakes and ensure a precise, successful result. Now in this course we have different type of videos. After watching these videos you will be able to adjust the valve clearance on 3, 4 or 6 cylinder engines. If you feel any trouble, any problem, any difficulty during this adjustment, feel free to ask in the comments and we will be glad to assist you, to help you, to guide you. Nobody is perfect, so feel free to ask. Don't feel shy.